Good morning. Before we beginning, let me introduce myself. I am Moksha Prajapati from Nitin Pharmacy College, Visnagar, here to represent my project on potential nutrient to fight against severe acute respiratory syndrome related to coronavirus. Recently, there are no drug therapy or treatment available against COVID-19. Hence, it is beneficial to use the nutrient to boost up immunity in order to protect ourselves from the viral infection. Immune system is divided into two, that is innate immunity as well as adaptive immunity. Innate immunity includes polymorph nuclear cell, which are also called to be as white blood cells, whereas adaptive immunity includes beta lymphocyte and T lymphocytes that produces the antibody. Recent data shows that elder people and comorbid condition people, means a particular patient having more than one disease, they are having highest fatality rate or death rate in a COVID-19 infection. Right now, the funda of RVV, research, verification and verification, is a time consuming. So it is advantageous to use scientific evidence database, example nutrients, to enhance our immunity, as they are having no adverse effect or no such demerits like recent technologies. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is also called to be as ascorbic acid, and as it is a water soluble vitamin, it is easily get absorbed, and this vitamin increases the phagocytic and chemotaxic effect, means ability to sense any kind of extracellular substance or to ingest any kind of organism. Vitamin D. Vitamin D are also called to be as UVB rays obtained from the sunlight, or we can say photosynthesis in the skin. They are having similar effect as like of vitamin C. Virus attach itself to angiotensin convertase enzymes. Due to the secretion of interleukin, inflammation begins, which causes the alveolar capillary damage. Ultimately, it causes the respiratory failure. Vitamin C increases the production of T lymphocytes, which recognize and kill the virus-infected cells directly, or may help beta lymphocyte to produce an antibody. Vitamin C, when given in a concentration 2 mg per day, it decreases the lung inflammation along with the ventilation time by 18.2%. Zinc. Zinc increases the immunity by increasing the concentration of PMNS, polymorph nuclears. It also inhibits the viral replication. Quercetin. Quercetin inhibits the enzyme 3-CL protease, which helps the virus to replicate, especially in the coronavirus. Thus, the combination of zinc and quercetin shows the robust antiviral activity. As the vitamin C decreases the lung inflammation and zinc inhibit the viral replication, both when given in combination shows the best result. Further, the addition of quercetin will enhance the activity of zinc by acting as a transporter for the zinc to transport inside the cell. As a healthy and a better lifestyle can lead to the strong and effective immunity which is required against the disease, such immunity boosters are only the nutritive supplements. Thank you.